Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and I want to do a quick and easy card for you. This is using the Delightfully Detailed and Time for Tea. So what we're going to need is the supplies are going to stamp set Time for Tea. We're going to be using Memento Black ink, Tuxedo. We are going to be using a piece of scrap paper, Petal Pink, and we're going to be using the Delightfully Detailed note cards and envelopes, and we're going to be using the Blackberry Bliss one on there. What also we're going to be using is stamping dimensionals. We're going to be using, where is it? Well, we're going to be using the Spot of Tea Framelits, the little teacup, and I had it right here. Oh well. And we're going to be using the Big Shot, and that's about it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take our saying and warmed with love, steeped in friendship, and we're just going to stamp that right like that. Okay, then we're going to take our Petal Pink and we're going to stamp the teacup on it. Then we're going to take that to the Big Shot and we're going to cut it out, if I could find that, but we've already got one cut out. I tell you, this is simple, easy. We're going to put some dimensionals on the back. Make sure that little cuppy thingy handle is out. I love these detailed notes. Now remember, you can get everything from me to make this great little card. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Oh, remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies are down below. Thanks. Bye-bye.